Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule and auto-post Instagram Reels using one of the easiest tools in 2025. Whether you're a creator, affiliate, or business owner, this will save you hours every week. First, go to the viral marketing section and select Post Video Reels. Here, you can set up all the posting parameters and choose the videos you want to upload to Instagram Reels. Finally, select all your Instagram accounts and hit start. The software will automatically post all your selected videos to Instagram Reels for you. Plus, after uploading, it will also auto-like and auto-comment on the Reels you just posted, fully automated.